Hello everyone, welcome to the Figured Out channel. I am excited to bring to you the first episode. This will be based on 4 interesting psychological theories with some examples. Stay tuned and I hope you enjoy. The first one is bystander effect. This is also known as a bystander apathy. It simply refers to the phenomenon whereby individuals are less likely to offer help to a person in distress when there are other people present. Let's take this example. Monica is speeding to work because she's running late. As you can see, there are many people present on that busy morning. She unfortunately crashes her car when joining the main road because she wasn't paying attention. According to the bystander effect, she is unlikely to get help from the people around. In a similar situation with few people around, she is more likely to get help, like how the gentleman here did. The second one is false memory. It's the phenomenon of recalling an event that's never happened or happened in a different way. It is also known as Mandela effect due to a large number of people claiming they remember the former president of South Africa dying in 1980s, when in fact his demise happened in 2013. So, in this example, Husu is back from work early and thinking about how lovely it is for the wife Milena to offer to pick up the kids from school. Milena returns from work a few moments later and asks where the kids are, only for Husu to swear he remembers her offering to pick them up, when in reality, she never did. This type of situation defines false memory. The third one is social-desirability bias. This is quite common. It is explained as the tendency of a person to respond to a question in a manner that will be viewed favorably by others. This is mostly common among survey respondents, where they are likely to answer questions in a way that is not the truth, but rather what is seen right in the eyes of society. My example, on the other hand, is going to be about Leo and Clara, who are meeting on a date for the first time. When Clara asks Leo to tell her a little about himself, Leo starts mentioning all the positive things he thinks Clara would like to hear. Even though some might be true, it might be exaggerated. Some might even be a lie to please Clara. This is a typical example of a social desirability bias. So next time you're on a first date, be expecting situations like this. The fourth one is digital amnesia. It is also known as Google effect. It's the tendency of forgetting information you trust a digital device to store and remember for you. In today's world, this must be one of the most common phenomena. We all depend on our digital devices to recall information. Due to our over-reliance of these devices, we tend to forget information like phone numbers, date of birth, anniversary, and so on, unlike before when we kept them in mind. Let's take a look at the results of a research conducted by Kaspersky Lab on how people handle information they would like to remember. In the final example, Frida is very disappointed in her husband for forgetting her birthday. Her husband's explanation is that Facebook did not notify him. This is a classic case of digital amnesia or Google effect. That will be all for now. I will leave you with these kids reading their books. If you enjoyed the video, do not forget to subscribe, like and share. I hope to see you soon.